Solution for parting and deep hole grooving. Sawman X. Sawman X provides stable clamping in parting and deep hole grooving. Sawman X with 3-dimensional V-rail clamps the insert tightly on the holder seat and provides stronger, stable clamping. The special cutting edge of Sawman X increases machinability and ensures high quality and long tool life. Chip breaker of Sawman X with negative land is available for various workpiece machining and provides stable performance in interrupted cutting with high depth of cut. The second chip breaker in the back area increases chip control and prevents fracture of holder due to chip in large-sized hole workpiece machining. Reinforced land on the flank reduces radius of chip curl and increases chip control and insert rigidity. Improved chip control of the Sawman X chip breaker increases productivity by preventing chip curling and scratching. Also, the exclusive wrench of Sawman X makes insert replacement easy with our convenient clamping system. The Sawman X with new chip breaker provides good chip control in grooving large-sized holes. Special treated cutting edge ensures long tool life with high quality in parting and grooving. In addition, our stable clamping system minimizes chattering and interrupted machining and realizes more stable machining in high speed, high feed, and high depth of cut cutting. Solution for parting and deep hole grooving. Sawman X.